Hi everyone and welcome back to Dev Portal. In this video we will explore the first use of final keyword in Java, final variables. So final variables are used to create constant that cannot be changed once they are initialized. A final variable is a variable whose value cannot be modified after it has been assigned. Once it is initialized, it becomes constant and cannot be reassigned. Now let's see the code how we can implement this final variable in Java. So first I will create one class final variable example. Inside this class I will create one variable final int max limit and value I will give 100. So this is my final variable. I have assigned final keyword here, so it will become constant. Now let me create one method void display limit. Inside this method I will add sysout statement to print the value. The max limit is, and I will add the max limit value here. Let me save this code. Now I will try to access this display limit method from the main method. So for that, first I need to create the object of final variable example class final variable obj equal to final variable example constructor. I will call, it will give me the object. New keyword I need to use to get the object reference, and now I will call obj.display limit. Let me save this code and run, and in the console you can see it is printing 100. So in this example max limit is declared as final, meaning it is a constant. Attempting to change its value would result in the compilation error. Let me show you that as well. So I will type max underscore limit and I will add one increment value. Now if I try to run this code, you can see in the console it is saying unresolved compilation problem. The final field final variable example max limit cannot be assigned because already we have make it a final variable, so we cannot change its value again. Final variables are useful when defining constant that should remain unchanged throughout the program execution, like mathematical constant pi or any configuration settings like max size. That's it for today's video on final variables in Java. In the next video we will dive into final methods and see how they can prevent method overriding. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.